Will Power's the guy.
All right.
Will Power's the guy. I spent some time with Will when I went to the Indy at Long Beach a couple of years ago, and just a true legend.
Yes.
Well, you know what Will Power's known for, besides winning championships in the Indy 500.
He does go-karts.
He's known for this. Oh, the double bird, yeah.
Even when he wins?
No.
Or just when he loses?
When somebody pisses him off.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, I like when they get into fights with their helmets on. It's like, what's going to happen?
Yeah, let's just say you say hello in Australia, though.
G'day.
G'day.